Do not have any words. This dress is literally so pretty. Like, yeah, this is the problem. Like, shut up. We have the winner. This was not up to the mark. And at the back. Hey guys, it is Adrian and welcome back to my channel. So, I am back with another haul and this is going to be a lit haul because I have ordered all these dresses from Meesho which look super good, and if they turn out good in real life too, this video is a hit. So without wasting time, let's go unwrap, check these dresses out. I can't wait to open them. I've not opened even one single packet, so I wanted to do it with you guys. So without wasting time, let's go dive right into this haul. First dress we have is this one. You all might have seen this. This was the most viral thing. Everybody got this from me. So I was like, you know what, even I need to get it. And this is our dress. It is in the size XS. Whoa. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. It does not have any sleeves. It is backless. So I'm gonna go and try this quickly and also fix this. Please tell me I'm dreaming. Like, I have no words. Like, what the fuck is this? There's a little problem because the excess size sticker is in the front, which can be seen. So you'll have to cut it down. Otherwise, look at this dress. Like, it gives you that shape. This is what it looks like. I mean, how are you telling me this is from Meesho? Like, this is the perfect summer dress. Like, I don't know. I do not have any words. This dress is literally so pretty. Like, the color combination really looks good. The quality of the dress is really nice. It is a very stretchy material and it also is body hugging. This is in the size XS and it fits me like a glove. Like, I want to flex this dress everywhere I go. Like, this is literally so pretty and nobody would believe if you said you got it from Meesho. This is the first dress we have and this dress is definitely going into my wardrobe. Like, no questions, nothing. It's directly going in because this dress is so pretty. Guys, just go and quickly get this dress because last 2 times I tried getting this, it was out of stock, and now I know why, because I have no words. Just go and grab this dress right now. I am so happy with my first dress. Okay, coming to dress number 2 is this dress that you can see here. This is what it looks like, and this also looked body hugging. Flows down, it is like a flare gown, so that is why I got it. Let's quickly unbox and check this out. I am so excited after this point, after this dress, that anything below the mark I would be disappointed because this dress has set the bar very high. So let's just unbox this and wear this. I am not going to say anything, okay? Just look at this dress. This is what it looks in the front. This is what it looks in the back. Like, how am I getting these dresses from Meesho? Like, dude, how? Like, the material again is the same quality as the first dress that I wore. The fitting is perfect. It is in the size XS and it fits me like a dream. Also, when it comes below, it has like a flare thing. It is not straight, it is flare. And the back, like, what? I think I downloaded the wrong Meesho because these dresses, the first two, are out. Like, this also is definitely, I'm going to go broke after this video because this dress definitely is going in my wardrobe. This is such a pretty dress. I would wear this for nativity. I have nothing else to say other than just admire this dress because how are you finding this on Meesho? Everything about this dress is perfect. The quality, the product, the fit, everything is just perfect. Guys, just don't run. Sprint and go to Meesho and get this dress. Like, just trust me on this, get this dress. Also the first one. Okay. The bar is getting higher. This is the third dress that we have, and it came with this dress. So this is what the dress looks like. I'll put a reference picture of the dress here. And yeah, this is just a simple basic top. I do have a black one like this. I think the material is different, but this is the next dress. Let's go check this out. Okay, this is what our third dress looks like, and the material is such that if you're not wearing a tummy tucker, your tummy can be seen. This is what it looks like. It is not backless. It is just a simple plain basic gown, but I do have a defect in this. That is, there's a little hole here. There's a little hole here, and also it has adjustable straps, so it is very easy to adjust according to your size. This right here, I do not like the neckline, and I feel like the material is good. It is like very stretchy material, polyester material. The material is fine. It is a very simple basic dress that you could wear, but yeah, this is the problem. Like, you have to wear a tummy tucker, otherwise your pooch is going to be seen. But other than that, I really like this dress. This dress is not up to the mark like the other two dresses, but if you're going to just look at it in a way that you got it from Meesho, I think yeah, it is good. And then coming to the fitting, it fits like a glove again. It fits wonderfully. The color is really good. It's a nice lilac color. I think it also has other colors in it, so you could go for color options, but I'm not that flattered by this dress. So yeah, that is it. If you guys like this dress, you could definitely go get this. If there's a defect, you can obviously go and return, exchange for the dress, but otherwise it is not up to the mark, but it is fine. If you're getting it from Meesho, it is okay to get this. Okay, moving on to the next dress, that is dress number 4. Let me just unbox it. Okay, so this is what dress number 4 looks like, and here's a reference picture. So let me just go quickly change into this and come back. Shut up. We have the winner. Okay, this is easily the winner. Look at this dress. Oh my god. I don't even know where to start. Okay, the front part, this area is my favorite because it has this ruffled detailing, and that's where it starts. Down it is flare. Okay, flare. This is what it looks like below. Body hugging, not that backless, but fits like a glove. Material is in supreme quality. Okay, I have no words. I am definitely going to get this dress, going to keep it in my wardrobe, because that is how much I love this dress. Like, are you kidding me? This is from Meesho. This, my body has never looked this good in any dress. Trust me on this. In this dress, it just looks perfect. I'm keeping this. If you guys do not have this dress, go right now, get this dress. I don't care if you're broke, just go buy this dress before it goes out of stock, because this dress is literally the best. It has topped all the dresses till now, and I don't think anything could beat this, because this dress is so good. It is better than what you get outside. If you do not have this dress, you're really messing up bad. Just go get this dress. This dress, oh my god, this is my perfect dress, literally perfect. I am going to keep this dress. Everything about this dress is 11 on 10. Like, I'm not even exaggerating anything. You get this dress, wear this dress, and then tell me, because you're going to feel exactly the same thing. 11, freaking 11 out of 10. Okay, moving on to the last dress. I don't care if I'm disappointed anymore, because I found my dress. This is the last dress. Let me just unbox it. This is the last dress that we have, and it is very, very Pinteresty. That is why I got it. It has little hearts on it. The whole reason for me to buy this was the hearts. So let me just go wear this and see what it looks like. This is the perfect Pinterest dress. Yes, the print is next level. Also, it is flare below. It is body hugging, but I do not like this because what is this? If you're going to tie it in a bow, it looks like this. If you're going to leave it, it looks even more bad. Like, why do you have this? Also, here it is asymmetrical. This one is up and this one is, the stitching is down, so I do not like it. Also, I don't like where you have to tie. Like, some dresses it really looks pretty, but I think if this was just a strap, it would look way better. Back, yeah, it is not that back, like backless, it is still here. Yeah, I'm going to give this 10 on 10 points for the print because it has little cute hearts and the color too. But this was not up to the mark, mainly because of this and this and then this. This is asymmetrical, very much asymmetrical. So yeah, this is, I'm going to return this dress. But the print is very Pinteresty. Like for this dress being Pinteresty, I'm going to give it 11. Otherwise, this dress is just a 7 for me. So yeah, this is the last dress. So guys, I think that was all the dresses that I had, and I love that my choices are getting so better. I got maybe like three most top-notch quality dresses from Meesho. Even this would be the one, but it's not symmetrical here, and then a lot of other things, but the other three dresses are really good. So if you guys are planning to get your hands on any of these dresses, go to my YouTube. There's a link, wish link you get there. Go to that link and you can find the video with the products listed there. You can go and buy the product from there. And also, yeah, that was the end of the video. Just I'm in love how this video came out. I was waiting nearly a week to unpack all of these dresses because I was on a trip and all the parcels came. I unpacked all of them today, and the wait was so worth it because these dresses are literally so perfect. And yeah, with that being said, that is the end of the video, you guys. If you guys like these dresses, do like the video, and please comment down and say which is your best dress. Which dress do you think was the best? Please comment it down below. And if you have any video suggestions, comment it down for me. And I will meet you guys in the next haul. These dresses.